This is my tree, and these are misin canoodle. Canoodle means dumpling, I think. In fact, I'm quite sure it does. And I've got this little contraption here I just bought for $2.50. Put little balls in, take it out seed, and stick it in the tree. I'll continue my journey outside. There we go. Look at that snow coming down. Woo-hoo. Love it. Hear them crows in the background. There's the tree. You can see possibly already the little green baskets that I've already put on the tree, so I'm going to take them down because it's quite pollutive and put this up. So just 1 second. And there he is up there. That's just to see how high it is. I'm 6 foot tall, 6'2", and I can almost touch it. So it's about 8 foot in the air, which is pretty cool. So the crows will probably try to get it. I've actually tied it on because the crows could get, or the ravens could actually knock it off, get it to the ground and eat it. It's for the little birds. I like the ravens as well. There's my apartment just there. Cool. Not bad, eh? What a perfect winter wonderland Vilnius is. Ciao, babies.